All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbola speaking. So in this video, I want to show you the 100% guaranteed way to sort any issue on Facebook. So you might be having restricted Facebook account, you might be having disabled Facebook account, you might be having your Instagram account being disabled, whatever account or whatever you have that is connected to Facebook being disabled, being restricted, or whatever it is. This is the guaranteed way to sort any of those issues out. So I'll be walking you through. So you come to the Facebook account. Now, this method only works for those who have a Facebook account that is currently active. So if you try this method, you can try it on your account first before you start asking others to help you out. So if you don't have access, if this method doesn't work for you, then the next thing you have to do is to ask a friend, a brother, a sister, a mother, a father, anybody to give you access to their Facebook account so that you can carry out this process out on that particular account. So this is what we're going to be doing. All right, let's go. So you come to the account part of the account part. So on the account part here, you click on help and support. On help and support, on this option, you click on help center. It will open another browser for you. When you get here, you scroll down and click on visit business help center. Now I noticed that 100% or 50% of those that try to contact Facebook don't always see this coming up. Now you only see this if you have a business account set up. If you have a business manager, another account running and active, that is when you will see this option based on experience. Most people don't see it because maybe they just have issue with their Facebook account being restricted and they needed to solve the issue, and so they tried to use this method. So you won't see this happening there. So that's why sometimes it's advisable to contact somebody who is a Facebook specialist to help you chart up Facebook, which is possible. Right now, I'm making this video while I'm trying to help chart up Facebook for a client. So we click on visit business help center. All right, so it loads up and bring these options. You can go through all these options if you want to. They might be very helpful. So this is how you can troubleshoot a disabled account, why some ads are approved and then rejected. So you go through and they are very, very, very informative. You can view all later on when you're free and go through them. So, but this is the option we want to get through to when we are trying to contact Facebook support. So click on get started. Once you click on get started, it brings you to this page. So on this page, you have other options, personalized help, that are very related to you. So if you want to still explore this option, you are good, but that's not what this video is all about. So you click on contact advertising support. So once you click on that, then how can we be of help? So you make sure you can connect all those other things here. Add, select a Facebook account and select everything you want to select, and then you are good to go. So let me select a particular account here. Let me select one of these accounts. So let me load. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so you select another account. Let's also select another account. Now you click. So sometimes the issues you are trying to fix might still be answered here. So, but depending on what the issue is actually. So if you want to contact Facebook support, you need to keep going. Click on load more. Click on load more. Keep going. Click on load more. Then I need help. Then click on other ad account issues. So this is the option you want to click on, other ad account issues, and then type in the exact issue you are having. All right, let me type the issue I'm having now. So all right, so I'm done typing what the issue is and everything. So what number do I want them to reach me on? I want them to reach me on this number in case if there's any issue. So I'll be copying out the client number. So that's what I want them to reach out. I want them to reach out to us on. So in case maybe there's a further questioning and all those things, they can reach out to us using the phone number. So let me quickly get the number and we type it in. So +1. Okay. So you're done filling all this information, you click on start chat. And to lead you through this to confirm all the details you've inserted, and then you can start up chatting Facebook right away, just for it to load up, and then we're good to go. All right, so open in chat and then voila. So right away you can start chatting on Facebook and start giving them start talking to them on any issue that you might be having with your account, whatever the issue is. So here it is. So this was the chat I had with them earlier. So we're continuing right now. Okay. So this is just a dummy questions they're asking. All right. So they will transfer me to any agent that is available. Then we can continue the chat. So if you are here to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you do that and give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment on the video, ask me questions. I'll drop my contact on the video so that you can chat me up in case you need to reach out to Facebook. You need someone to reach out to Facebook on your behalf. Kindly do that, and I hope to hear from you as soon as possible. All right, thank you. So I would be stopping the content, the video here, so that you can. I think it's as simple as possible. So I might keep recording anyway, but I might just cut it out later. All right, thank you.